Virtual reality, or VR, is like a special kind of video game where you feel like you're actually inside the game. Instead of just watching the screen, you wear a headset that covers your eyes and ears, making you feel like you're in a different place, even though you're still in your room. Here's how it works. The headset has tiny screens inside that show pictures to each of your eyes. These pictures change as you move your head, so it feels like you're looking around in a real world. The headset also has sensors that track your movements, so when you look up, down, or turn around, the view changes just like it would in real life. Sometimes there are special controllers you hold in your hands. These controllers let you interact with the virtual world. You can grab objects, push buttons, or even draw things in the air, and it feels like you're really doing it, even though everything is just computer-generated. VR tricks your brain into thinking the virtual world is real by making sure what you see and hear matches how you move. That's why when you walk forward in the virtual world, it feels like you're actually walking forward, even though you're just standing still or moving in a small space. In your video, you can show examples of what someone sees in a VR headset and how they can interact with the virtual world. This will help your viewers understand how cool and immersive virtual reality really is.